Hi, Teresa Tims here, president of TDR Mortgage in Upland, California, and the SoCalLoanPro.com. I have a little market update for you for the month of August 2017. We service primarily the Inland Empire part of Southern California, and what we've noticed is a slowdown in the upper end market, a slowdown in the upper end, and a leveling off in the higher end. And when I say higher end, I'm thinking, like 6, 7, 800,000, that area we're seeing a slowing down. In the affordable areas, we're still on like gangbusters. You have a nice house that's turnkey at a sales price of $350. You're at 15 to 20 offers. You're going to take the offer that's over list, and oftentimes they get rid of the appraisal contingency. So we're a pretty hot market. There's no slowdown in Orange County, LA. There seems to be a lot of people with a lot of cash buying in those areas. That continues to drive the market there. Rents are up everywhere. I'm hearing where people are moving out of an apartment. Let's say the apartment is $2,800. They move out. And the next person that moves in is paying $3,000 or $3,200. And a lot of times people are moving out of the apartment because of the rent increase. So we're seeing a tremendous amount of movement upwardly in the rental market. One way to leverage against that is to purchase. If you purchase a home and the payment is fixed at $3,000 a month, the only way that payment can go up is if your taxes and insurance go up. So it's a really great way to leverage against rental increases. So we have answers to everything at TDR Mortgage. Let's see. Rates remain stable. They have kind of slightly been going up the last couple of months. In the last, week or so, we've had small decreases. They're expected to remain stable through the rest of the year. You'll find conventional rates in the low 4s. And, depending on how much equity you have, if you're going to cash out refi, and your credit score is 680, your rate might be 4.5. If your scores are 800 and you've got 40% equity, you might find yourself at a rate of 4%. High 3s for FHA and VA, no points. And the jumbos we're seeing in the high 4s and low 5s, with a few exceptions. We just refinanced a couple at a 30-year fixed rate of 4.125, and the loan amount I think was like $1.1 million. So generally that's the rule, that the jumbos are higher, but we have some portfolio product where nobody can touch that. And that's one of the benefits of being a mortgage broker, is that we get to shop you around and find a lender that's offering the best situation for your particular case. That leads me into what I think the market's going to do. I think we're going to continue to have, we are going to have increases in price. And that's just a market thing. There's a demand and not enough inventory. So when inventory is low, demand is high, price goes up. See, I learned something in college. And, we're just not done yet. We don't, there are people out there willing to come up with portfolio product where the risk is acceptable. For example, we have a product right now that really just blows me away. It's a 5% interest only 40-year loan. 40-year loan. So we're on a $600,000 purchase price, you're putting 5% down. Let's say the payment would normally be around $4,000. With this 5% product, it's around $3,200. So don't quote me exactly what the payments are, but it's a pretty significant amount of savings. Now, once that loan goes for 10 years, it doesn't go adjustable. It goes into a 30-year fixed loan. So you have to be very highly qualified for that loan. We also have a really, really cool program where we're just going to give you $5,000. Here you go. Merry Christmas. And it's not even Christmas yet. That program is for highly qualified individuals, and it's a conventional product. It's one loan with no mortgage insurance, and that's in the low 4s. I don't see too much changing in the next few months. I think that we're going to just remain stable. I'm looking forward to the next couple of years because I feel I have a really good handle on things are just going to be kind of like this. They will come out with some crazy stuff that's going to make things affordable that will drive the market 3 to 4 years more. It's just so hard to say, right? Nobody has a crystal ball. If you're looking to buy or sell in Southern California, think of Teresa Tims with SoCal Loan Pro. I'm looking forward to speaking with you soon.